In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use cleave in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use the cleave, also known as the world cutting cleave in Jujutsu Shenanigans. So first, you will have to be playing as the King of Curses. Make sure that you select him appropriately by selecting Vassal, and you will have to get your ultimate here. So I am doing this process on a private server, but of course it is going to work on a public one. So first, activate your awakened form. You are going to see this text, and now what you have to do is press a specific combination of buttons. You need to press 1, followed by 3, followed by 2, and then spam R in quick succession. So it should look like this. If you get it right, you are going to see the stacked Scale of the Dragon, Recoil, and then Twin Meteors, and your character is going to launch this shockwave that knocks enemies back. And you will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish. As you can see, this is how it looks. And the more characters it hits, the more damage it's going to do. So you need to time this very well. It's gonna ragdoll them, and it's especially good for setting up a lot of enemies at once. So, if you get it wrong, you are going to see a different animation being displayed, but if you get it correctly, this is the stance that your character should take and how it looks like. So basically, you press 1, and then shortly after you press 3, and then you start spamming 2 and then R in that specific order. Make sure to do it in order or it's not going to work. This is how it's going to look like if you take too long between the buttons. So in here, I'm going to take a while to press 1 followed by 3, and you will be able to notice the difference. So as you can see, if you take too long, the skills are going to go off one by one. So you need to be ready to press the other ones as soon as you start it. So it should look like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to use cleave in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.